NBC 15 weather with Chief Meteorologist Alan Sealls, certified most accurate forecast by Weather Rate.
It has been a wet day, now a cold day. The rain has moved out, clouds are low, but on the highly trafficked roadways, they're dry, which is good. That means our threat for icing is low. It's not zero, but it's low. 36 degrees at Mobile's airport, feeling like 28 due to that northwest wind at 11 miles an hour. There's the rain gone. There's the sleet and snow not here. Nothing is coming our way in terms of falling from the sky, but temperatures will be falling. Right now, Leakesville, you're touching freezing. It gives you a sense that Washington County, George County, that's where temperatures will hit freezing first. The rest of us have current temperatures from the upper 30s to the lower 40s, and we're going low. In fact, low enough that we'll have a hard freeze warning with temperatures going 20 degrees or colder if you are north of the beaches. At the same time, with the wind being moderate late tonight, with air temperature in the teens, it'll feel like single digits for a wind chill. That's why we have a wind chill advisory also for the same areas. Notice in Mobile, central Mobile County, temperatures go below freezing this evening, and they steadily keep on falling about 20 degrees by 5 o'clock in the morning. It'll be a struggle to get out of the 20s for the day tomorrow, but it's going to be even more of an issue for our inland counties. Washington County, Chatham, for example, by midnight, you'll be in the upper teens, going to the middle teens before the sun comes up. Here's the outlook of forecast lows for tonight. Teens well to the northwest of I-65, lower 20s well to the southeast of I-65. Even places like Dauphin Island, you're going to freeze tonight. Prepare there for 20s. Keep in mind, though, now that the rain has ended, the threat of freezing rain is low, but it's the bridges and overpasses that are a big deal. You've seen that sign that says bridge ices before roadways? Well, it's simply because bridges have no earth beneath them to give them heat. And when the air temperature falls fast, it bathes the bridge in below freezing air, and that can freeze any water that's left over. So right now, look outside your window and see if your street is dry, and that tells you a good sense of whether you could have icing. If it's dry, you won't. That ice that does develop from leftover rain, you can't see it, and it's called black ice, typically because it's on black asphalt. It's not actually black, but it is dangerous. So that's a big concern for tonight. There you see those teens projected from Chatham over to Monroeville, one of our coldest nights in a long time. In southern Mississippi, same story, mid-teens for George County, upper teens for Jackson County. If you're in Mobile County, places like Citronelle, you'll be about 16, Bay Minette about 19, but even Summerdale could be at 19 degrees, Fowl River just about the same. And in the Florida Panhandle toward Escambia County, Alabama, 20, 21, 22 degrees. Not a big difference, but still too cold. Think about those pipes and take care of them, especially if you have the pipes on the outer walls that are not as insulated as they should be. When the water freezes, the pipes burst. So simple things you can do tonight for your home. Open up the cabinets, let the warm air circulate to get to the plumbing, to keep the plumbing from freezing. The other thing you can't forget is make sure your outside and inside faucets are either dripping or covered on the outside. You're all trying to prevent some damage. And then, of course, exposed pipes on the outside, those are the ones that must drip. Here's our problem tomorrow. 8 a.m., 21 degrees. That's Mobile. If you're inland, it's going to be in the teens. Lunchtime, just above freezing, and by late afternoon, we'll struggle to get into the lower 40s. Here's your 7-day tracker. Dry tomorrow. Wednesday brings rain, and Thursday could bring a very similar situation. Rain and thunderstorms, followed by colder air. We've got a bunch of freezes before we get to the weekend.